Can you hear me now? Hey, Mason, our little animated border, as soon as I went live, stopped animating. Once again. It was animated prior to going live, and once we went live, it has shut down once again. So we'll see how the stream goes today. I know Friday we had a bunch of technical issues. We made a bunch of changes to the stream, and apparently it is bottlenecking everything. But Mason, the music's good. All right, good deal. Good deal. Yeah, we had some bad storms through here last night. Tornado sirens went off at about, I don't know, 10:30 or so at night. And ended up having to go to the basement for a little while. But yeah, everything's good. No damage. Nothing. Everything is fine. Missed my house. I haven't really checked the news, though, to see how everything in the area is. So I'm not sure. There might be some people close by that were more affected than I was. So my read for today is going to be... I'm actually... I know it sounds ridiculous, but I'm leaning long side. We had hourly glizzies print. So I'm looking for some sort of retracement of the move from the overnight. Morning, Dave. Any dips below this 19,120, I'll be watching the 19,000 area. Morning, Kev. This 19,000 area to see if we can get some sort of bounce here. I'm thinking I'll probably only target this 19,400 level. Morning, Palm. I don't know that I'm willing to hold longs for really extended moves, but I mean, that's a 400 point move that I'll be looking for anyway if we do get down there. But I am definitely leaning long side this morning. And if this thing just straight nukes, if we get below, say, 19K and are holding below 19K, that's really where I'll be looking for shorts. Otherwise, I'd like to see some sort of retracement of this move. Morning, Antonio. Welcome, brother. This week, I did purchase a Take Profit Trader account, so I will be starting, hopefully, fingers crossed, I will be starting the Glizzy series. And I will just be trading that account with Glizzies, documenting it all. Probably over, I haven't decided the amount of time, but I'm thinking like a 6-month period of time, just for proof of concept. You guys will see every trade. It will be documented. I haven't decided how many videos per week I'll be putting out on that. And we're thinking like 1 right now because that's going to be a lot of editing. But yeah, look forward and stay tuned for that. It'll be interesting to see if that can build a prop account. Six per day, Albu. Yeah. 1 on every trade taken. Some days we don't even get prints. So that's why I'm saying, and the prints are so few and far between. I probably won't be trading that account on the live streams. You've built a few with it, Goose. So yeah, I'm going to oh yeah, a few prop accounts is what you're saying, Goose? Yeah. I fully believe in it. 100%. I've watched it for enough period of time now to the point where every glizzy that's printed has seen some sort of green on it. So as long as you are, as long as you're strict with your stops, yeah, there's no reason why the thing should ever ever fail. Well, and your risk is kept in check as well. It's not like you're dropping 6 minis at the start of an account. But yeah, I'm a firm believer in the glizzy. 100%. So let's see what happens down here at like this 19,020 area. If we get a bounce out of this, maybe a quick sweep of the overnight lows and then a reclaim, I'll look for a long position. Then again, if this thing just wants to straight nuke down to 19K, I'll be looking for either support to step in here, or if we're holding below 19K, I'll play the short down into 18.8. Yeah, I'll be the glizzies are the 100%. I've never been a huge indicator trader either. And don't get me wrong, you still want to use it in combination with other things on your chart, but the glizzy definitely gives you confidence if it's already an area that you're looking at, for sure. In fact, we might be getting close to one right now. Probably somewhere down around in here. Oh, Palmetto, I expect I fully expect any big move that you see, Dave is on it somehow, some way. The guy just any type of momentum he sees. He is on the trade. All right, let's see what happens here at 19K. Interest on the Dom is still a little bit more to the downside. We have got some volatility here, boys. This thing is flying around. Holy, I should have just marketed it in right here. It's a 50-point bounce in seconds. Yeah, be careful today, guys. I don't know what the VIX is at. I haven't looked at it yet today. I know I saw Trump had some tariff talk last night, and the tariffs are set to take effect here in a couple days. It's at 24? Yeah. My goodness. What a rip. Just a little reminder, guys. The channel memberships are open. So if you want to support the channel, feel free to join the memberships. We're hoping to get a lot of new content out for you very soon. Also, if you have not purchased the Glizzy Clipper indicator or notifications yet, the price point is the really cheap price point of $20 for the indicator and $5 for the notifications is about to expire. So, if you haven't hopped on it yet, I would suggest doing so. Like I said, it's not going to stay that cheap for that long. Goose has definitely done us a favor by keeping it at a very low price point for as long as he has, and giving us early access to the indicator before it even went live, to tell you the truth. So support the guy. There is links in the description. There's also links pinned in the main chat on Discord. You can either use those links or purchase via Goose's Discord as well. Tenors. So $5 a month for the notifications and $20 lifetime for the light version of the Glizzy Clipper. So the $20 would be a one-time payment. There will be updates and a better version released at some point, which will be a higher price point, obviously, from what I understand. But the $20 lifetime will give you basically what you see right now, as far as the indicator is concerned. And I think there's only 1 or 2 slots available at that price point. So I would definitely hop on it if you're interested in purchasing it. Because it's definitely not going to be that price point for very much longer. It's Mason. It's not a playlist. It's just one of the channels. I want to say it's just lo-fi beats on Upbeat. I just click on one of the tracks and it plays through all the tracks on there. Dave, it ripped through pretty quick. I'd say maybe 20 minutes. It was extremely windy at my house. Definitely was rattling things around. Had a little bit of hail. Like, I don't know if... Kev, did you get any of those storms last night? Or early morning? I guess where you're at? I don't know how quickly it traveled over to Cincinnati, but... Yeah, how was it in your area, Kev? 9 p.m. to 10 p.m.? Ours was a little bit like later than that. Yeah. Yeah, Kev. They were going off here for about an hour. Lowest monthly into quant tower with data. I want to say like level 2 is what you're asking about, Tenor. Live data. Morning, Phoenix. Enjoy the train ride, Phoenix. Whatever minimum to get the Glizzy. Quant Tower is technically free. Tenor. What most people have done though is they've just started an eval, so that they have live data. I want to say CME data is what, like $14 a month for live data. If you're just downloading the trading platform itself. If anything goes wrong, it must be Dave. Yeah, we blame Dave. Yes. I mean, My Fun of Futures, you can get a starter eval for... here's the thing, though. I want to say DX feed goes off a different set of data, and that is the one issue that Goose and I have found, is it doesn't print the same as if you're using like Rhythmic or CQG. I would definitely recommend sticking to like something other than My Fun of Futures. It will work. It's just going to give you a different print than the Rhythmic feed will. However, if you have the notifications set up, really that's all you need, Tenor, to tell you the truth. I mean, I don't want to talk you out of purchasing the indicator itself, but there will be better versions rolling out, updates and stuff like that, where it might be more beneficial to wait until the updates are all out with the expanded version of the Glizzy Clipper. However, getting the notifications will give you almost everything you need, and then you won't have to worry about purchasing any more accounts or signing up for a new trading platform just yet. You know, the notifications will signal you that the Glizzy Clipper is printed. It prints on all 4 of the indexes right now is what the notifications are set up for. However, I'm sure that will expand in the future as well. You can always reach out to Banana Bread Trades, Goose, and ask any specific questions about it that you want. As like, I'm not the all-knowing one on this thing just yet. I know enough about it to use it, but any specifics you can definitely ask him. And if you haven't joined his Discord yet, what's it called right now? He changes the name and the picture on it every time. Maximilian is what it's called right now, but feel free to join his Discord. All right, I like the longs here, guys. I know I probably should wait with the volatility, but I do like the longs. I'm willing to risk the $400 here. Because I have a feeling when it does catch something, it's probably going to be fairly quick back up. If it does want to go back up. If I get stopped out here, my next look will be probably around this pivot down here at around 960, which might be where it wants to go first. But I'm willing to risk this trade. Looks like we're getting hourly prints right now on the Glizzy on the NQ as well. There is still interest down here to the downside too, so I'll take this stop out on the chin, but I think it's worth a shot. I'm not willing to give it below this sweep low though, so that's why I have my stop where it is. All right, we're break even. See if we can get some follow through here. Looks like I'm gonna get stopped out. Oh, that was close. Yeah, there's the stop out. I'm all right with that, though. It was worth a shot. Because it definitely could have got aggressive here above 19K. And it still might. It's starting to look... Maybe I should have hung in there and not moved my stop. It's starting to look like we might want to come back up here and test these overnight lows. Around 19,120. Yeah, Tenor, like I said, just reach out to Goose. He'll be able to answer any and all questions. He does have some I know he did put out some YouTube videos on how to get it on Quant Tower and all that. You might want to check those out too. He also put out a video on everything that goes into the indicator itself and what all it takes into account and what affects it and how to trade it and all that stuff. So check out those videos. Oh, Tenor, like full license for Yeah, the full license for Quantower, I believe, is $70. But that's everything. You don't need all that. Morning, Mousy. Oh, man, guys. I definitely left the good trade out there by moving my stop to break even. Of course. The one little quick sweep back down came and got me. Oh, the glizzy is lifetime now? Oh, that's recent. I didn't know that. Tenor. That's very recent. That's like this morning recent. Like since I've gone live recent. I did not know that. I haven't looked into it though. Let me see. Let me see what we got. Cuz I wasn't he didn't tell me anything. The YouTube membership? Yeah, it's $5 for everyone. Phoenix. But you guys will have like early access to members only releases. You'll get to see it 24 hours earlier generally than everybody else will have, like the general public will have access to it. We're working on some other things as well. It's $50 for NIMS. Is there a special link, Tenor, as far as the Glizzy Clipper? Is that what we're talking about? If you want to purchase the Glizzy Clipper, I have links in the description on my YouTube channel, and there should be a description in of this live stream as well on the video. If it's not there, if you can't find it, it is pinned in the main chat on Level Up. So just go to the main chat and go up to the pinned messages, and you'll see it there. I linked it there as well. Mason, Albu, I think we might need to just set up a channel on Level Up called the Glizzy Clipper and just put those links in there. Really anywhere. I guess in the welcome section or the information section, just create a new channel so that everybody can see it and has access to it. It only costs you $1.50, Phoenix? Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. Mason would have those answers as far as what he's earned. Dave, no. No. So, like, the updated version will update over time. The $20 lifetime was for the light version, which is what you currently have, but that won't change. And it's not like it's still going to print all the same. You just won't get all the like sound notifications and updates that he makes to the Glizzy along the way. So what goes into the Glizzy Clipper is not going to change. Like the parameters and why the Glizzy prints. The prints will look the same. However, it's almost like cosmetic updates, I want to say, is the way that he puts it. You know, sound effects, the looks. $50 lifetime, and that's still a great deal, Tenor. If you guys look at TradingView and look at like the private indicators, most of those are $80 and above. So it's still really, really cheap. I know he said it was the first 20 people that purchased the light version would get that for the lifetime, $20. So if 20 people have signed up already, Dave, no. The indicator is life. Oh, you asking if it's per month? Dave, is that what you're asking? If like the cost of the Glizzy Clipper is per month? I'm pretty sure the indicator itself will be a lifetime one-time purchase. Notifications is what's going to be rolling. Oh yeah, Dave. Yeah. Yeah, he's still way underpriced. Like market value. There's my full trade, guys. That's annoying. I mean, that would have been a 100+ point trade right there. And this one little wick right here got me. I need to stop moving my stops. Seriously. It is killing me. And I realize with the volatility, I should have been scared, but this was... That's $2,000 gone. Is the market dead? No, Nims. We bounced 19K. In fact, I'm only looking for longs right now. Until we get below 19K and are holding below 19K, I can't play the short side right now. Unless we get a glizzy print. But that's going to be a ways away. We're too far overextended to the downside right now. Nims. Watch YM? What's going on YM? Oh, it's pumping. Let's see what's going on the Russell. Oh, the Russell had a pretty good print. Should have been looking at the Russell. How's the ES looking? ES, not much. This trade is what's annoying me. This one right here, Albu. I mean, it's okay. It's Monday. It's early. I'll take a break-even stop. What did I make on that? $5? Should have made $2,000. Gave up. Made $5. Morning, Jose. What's up, Chase? Bright and early for you. What is it, 7 a.m. your time? Yeah, Albu. The thing is, though, my entry wasn't bad, and I had my stop at, what, 93? So I was risking, 20 points. Oh, Chase, I did catch it. Technically, I did catch the knife. Just moved my stop to break even too quick. This one little wick right here is what got me. Right here. It's a shame. Yeah, my target would have already been hit as well. Would have been a 100-point trade. Holy, I'm just seeing... Oh, Goose caught it. Made $6,750 on it. GG's, Goose, if you're watching. Yeah, I gotta quit moving my stops to break even like that, though. It's killing me. Like, it is killing my trading, moving them to break even like that. I just need to let it play out. Now, this thing is still going up. Where's the ES at? I mean, look at this. ES has retraced that whole downswing. I haven't updated my levels on the ES, but this is where I'm thinking the ES wants to come back up into. I mean, I guess next stop would be 5,600. But 5,650 would be my next, like, big short leg down kind of move. Morning, Jack. Yeah, Ollie, it's just when it's that volatile in the morning to the downside especially, I have gotten wrecked trying to catch the falling knife with that kind of volatility. Because you just get those 50-point wicks, 50-point sweeps out of nowhere. But I shouldn't have moved my stop. I should have just kept my risk where it was. And instead, when this thing went 20 points in my favor, I moved my stop to break even, and it came back and got me. One little quick sweep down, and it got me. Before launching. We're battling overnight lows right now. Where is VWAP at? We aren't even to VWAP yet. If we can get a pullback into just above... If 100 starts to hold, I might try it again. I'm thinking we see upside for the rest of the morning, probably. Might have been it right there. In fact, let's see if we can get something like this. I'll put my stop below this swing low. Target. I might have to mark it in, unfortunately. This thing looks like it's about to rip. Try and be patient for a second, but... Yeah, Ollie, I don't think I'm going to get it, though. That's the problem. I'm pretty sure this thing's just going to rip. Kev, I'm not so sure. I'm not so sure. Yeah, I guess that's all it'll take is me just clicking the buy button. Yeah. That seems to be how it goes. Oh, man, guys. Frustrating start to the week right there. Well, this is gone. Guys, tell Porch if you're watching, you can't have Art Trader and Quant Tower open at the same time, simultaneously. You can have one or the other, but they don't work at the same time. Oh, just turn off market did it? Yeah, Palm. Oh, man, guys. You don't know how annoyed I am right now. I mean, I'm long from here. And I move my stop to break even. I get stopped out. And we have not ever... This one wick right here. Unbelievable. Massive day gone. Yeah, Phoenix, I have to actually tune Dave out when he starts talking about the ICT stuff. All that does is add confusion in my head. I just have to ignore it. Sorry, Fletcher. Sorry, Dave, but I have to. I can't listen to that. I'm sorry. I have to. There's not one piece of me that wants to learn anything about any of that. Not one piece of me. Tried it. All it does is add confusion. Dave, all due to ICT. No, you're up 1398 because you FOMO'd into a downside sell-off right off the open. Don't give me that ICT nonsense. There is nothing ICT about this move. Nothing. Not a thing. Yeah, yeah, all due to master. There you go. There you go. Oh, man. Too funny. Oh, did you catch some of that? Good. I mean, it's a good trade. I execution, man. I shouldn't have moved my stop. I should have let the stop. Then you know what's funny is I tell everybody, because this is what happens to everybody, and they ask me, how do I stop from doing this? And I always tell them, look, you have a trade idea. Don't move your stop until it makes sense to move your stop. You know, if you're moving your stop out of fear, that's what happens, and that's exactly what happened to me. So it's my fault. It's definitely my fault. So I'm frustrated at myself, not frustrated at the market. I moved my stop way too quickly. So I just have to take it on the chin. Yeah, it's annoying because that's, well, I don't know. What is that, a $3,000 trade? Oh, I know, Mason. I mean, what I teach is easier said than done, but it's all true, you know? It's easier said than done. It's just, let's face it, we're trading it. I'm trying to trade in Q here, and it's the most volatile. I mean, it's almost like trading a crypto. You know, it's almost the most. It's so volatile, but the money's really good if you know how to. If you know where you should be executing. All right, guys, I'm going to try long again here. I don't really want to risk that much. All right, we'll let it play out. If I take an L, I take an L. It's kind of rejecting that Keltner mid right now, unfortunately. If we can get a strong push through that, I think we'll be good. There we go. Let's just clear these wicks right here. In the mid 60s, push above 70. Oh, of course. Kev, does the Glizzy say to buy? No, there's no Glizzy prints right now. Stopped out. Oh, guys, I mean, my day is pretty much... Kev, I'm not strictly trading glizzies. There's other setups that you trade. You know what I mean? I'm not. All right, so that was a $550 loss. Here's the thing, Kev, is I think we're going higher than this. I know you think it's all downside, but I think we're going higher than this. Oh, it's okay, Ollie. It was worth a shot. It was a trade that was worth a shot. Here is my original trade. We got the pullback. All right. This will be it, guys, for me today. If this one fails, because this will put me at about $1,100 down on the session, so I'll be spending the rest of the day figuring things out. Yeah, Ollie, we'll see. We'll see. The market has been, I mean, this one was dirty. Like this wick right here was about as dirty as it got to sweep me out of this massive trade, for sure. That's about as dirty as it gets. But I'm not moving my stop on this one. It's either going to take me out or run for me. Not going to do it. It looks like it's going to be a stop out, and that'll probably be... I mean, if I get stopped out on this one, I'm going to call it, guys. I got other things I need to take care of rather than get wrecked by the market doing me absolutely dirty. Yeah, Kev, I'm not listening to your 22R either. Sorry. You guys with all these different signals and indicators throw me off of my game a lot. A lot. Everyone's trading a different indicator, and there's 50 million of them floating through my head. That's the one thing that I've noticed about all this. Is we got ICT traders, we got indicators, we got moving average traders, and I just can't listen to all of it. I just can't. I have to trade what I see. It's what's gotten me to the point that I got to, and I'm not going to let the confusion settle in for me. Sorry. Yeah, that's great, Kev. You keep trading your 22R. Like I said, use what works for you. I got to use what works for me. I can't sit here and add a 37R, a 22R, a 10-minute EMA. I can't do it. I can't do it. I tried looking at order blocks and all that for a minute. Sorry. It just doesn't make any sense for me. None of that. And it's great that there's a reaction there. It's great. But what has gotten me to the point where I'm at is trading common support and resistance. Easy to locate, higher time frame support and resistance. Don't know how that didn't stop me out there, but there it is. All right, guys. I'm killing the stream there. I'm down 1,100 on this session. I got royally screwed down here. Should be a massive day, and instead I'm down a lot. So I'm gonna end the stream right there. I'm done. I'm done with this. So yeah. Enjoy the rest of your day. Trade safe. It's probably gonna be pretty volatile today. And I got some other things I need to work on, so I probably won't be in the Discord a whole lot today at all. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Trade safe, and I will see you on Wednesday. Peace.